Hey there, I'm Brian Beyers. I'm the land steward here at Lost Valley Educational Center, and we are applying for a grant to build a pond. So I'm going to talk a little bit about our existing pond on site and then about our plan for increasing the ponds here and what that's going to look like, and why we want to build these ponds. So this behind me is a habitat pond. It's designed specifically to fill and drain throughout the year, as opposed to an irrigation pond, which holds water year-round. And the reason that's important is because we have several endangered frog species on site that need what's called ephemeral ponds, ponds that drain in the summer, in order to reproduce. Ponds that stay full year-round can be invaded by bullfrogs and other invasive species that will decimate the native frog species here. So you can see this is one pond, and in a average year this thing produces tens of thousands of tadpoles, and many of those become adult frogs here and make their way down into the lower parts of the property to sing and breed and come back up here to lay their eggs. Our plan calls for building 7 more ponds like this up higher on the property, which will create a kind of cascade effect, allowing a much wider migration path for the frogs as they move through the forest. And many more breeding sites for them here. This specific frog we have here, the northern red-legged frog, is considered critically habitat threatened and is in need of this kind of work. So part of our goal in getting a grant for this work is to teach other land stewards and property owners about the importance of building these ponds for habitat. And it's not just the frogs that benefit. A whole host of species come and drink water and feed in the pond and have reproductive cycles related to the pond.